Hi everyone. If you want to take a screenshot on your Redmi 17C or capture a long scrolling screenshot, this video is exactly what you need. Today I'll show you step by step how to take a normal screenshot, how to capture a long screenshot for full pages or chats, and where to find screenshot settings on Redmi 17C. This is especially useful if you want to save conversations, web pages, game results, or important information directly from your screen. Let's get started.